in this video I'll be unboxing the iPhone 11, and yeah, I've really been looking forward to this. I've wanted this phone for a long time and I just decided to get it, you know, because my current phone is really cracked and it's been through a lot. So yeah, we're just upgrading and I bought it outright, so hopefully it'll be a good investment. I'm just going to be opening the iPhone 11 and I got the 64GB version, and I'm just so happy and excited to open this. I got this in the post, and best believe this has had bleach sprayed on it, antibacterial sprayed on it, everything. All the precautions are taken. Wow, come on, efficiency. This is the plastic. This is the box. Yo, she's a bit, she's gone through transit very clearly, but we love. Okay, I'm gonna open it now. Oh my gosh. It's in one piece. I was actually scared for the postage. Oh, literally, I was so scared that it would be broken in the post. That is great. It feels lighter than I thought and like chunkier than I thought. It's quite fit. Oh, the box got was that meant to come out? See, they even put a bit of indent so that it like posts easily. Yo, okay, that is sick. Oh my gosh, this is all new. I love. Oh, it's got a little manual. It's a cute design. Okay. I think these are just different languages. Oh no. There's a SIM card slot opener. Oh, and some stickers. Perfect. There's some earphones with wires. Ew. Do we stand? Oh, it's got the little cable. Will I be getting AirPods? The answer is no, because I already have fantastic Bluetooth earphones. I quite like the material. Got a little plug. I don't think it's advisable to bend it like that, Apple, but okay. I'm liking the paper packaging, saving the environment. Oh, they put it inside the plug. It's quite crazy. And then the UK plug, love that. Wow, they're even using tracing paper. Oh, I ripped it. Period. Okay, so it's not a fast charger, but we move. Yeah. I'm getting a lot of fingerprints already, which is not the best, but the cameras look really big. There's like a microphone. I quite like the glass look, though I feel like this will be very easily scratched, so I'll be needing to get a case. Okay, now the anticipated peel. Wow. Okay, I can already feel it like ramming against the table, so that is not good. But let's turn it on. Oh gosh, I don't even know how to turn on that. I don't even know how to turn on an Apple product. I assume this is the on button. Does it need charge? that's vibrating already. Hello, annyeong. I want to see all the other languages. I feel like this would have been more interesting. You always see this on like listings on eBay, like the language. Bonjour. Anyway, English, UK. I don't have a SIM card yet, so that's a bit of an issue. First impressions, right? It can't sit flat on the table, which is, not gonna lie, a design flaw. It's quite significant. I've never had one that's this bad, but you know, we move. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you, this bezel is absolutely shocking. Like, it's shocking. It is absolutely shocking and disgusting. I don't know how they can claim that that's acceptable. It's time to download, move to Android. I'm quite excited to have the new phone. Finally got it to connect by typing in the Wi-Fi code that came up from the iPhone into my Android. So yeah, that literally took a solid like 10 minutes, which, you know, not as Ali Abdel says, so simple, it wasn't simple, okay. But yes, oh gosh, my camera roll. Okay, this will take a while then. 3 hours, oh no. So now I'm selling my voice to Siri. So, hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, what? Oh. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Period. She's ready. Siri dictation. They're trying to sell my data. Analytics. Nope, we're not sharing that stuff. Standard zoom. Swipe from the bottom to go home. Switch between recent apps. Quickly access controls. This is similar to my iPad, so I'm ready. Finally. Okay, I've logged into all of my settings. My friends are hyping me getting the iPhone. Okay, verification code number 6001. So I'm just thinking, am I going to be able to get my apps that I've paid for on here? Because that is needed. I thought it would have downloaded all my apps. I can't bother to download all my apps. Guess I better find a way how to do that, because there's just so much to look at. I'm just like, I can't. And also, I feel like it's so thick. Like, who... Like, this is what people are saying, like, Apple is like just deleting some apps. Okay, let me set up, find my... Gosh, this is going to take a while. It wants me to input my password every time. Had to write it down because I literally made it up. But yeah, this is going quite well. I'm saying that it's definitely not going well. It's taken me so long, and I thought at least the apps would be transferred. Like with an Android phone, the apps would be transferred. I'm sure this will go well once I'm more in it, you know? So now they're saying if you double click the button, the lock button, then it will install instead of me having to type in my long ass password every time. Oh, and you have to use Face ID. Yeah, I've just put my phone to install loads of apps. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Just a little unboxing of the iPhone 11. And you know, I watched so many of these videos before I got this phone, and like choosing between the XR and the 11. So hopefully I can have helped anyone else choosing what phone they'd like to get. And yeah, please subscribe, and I might be doing a review or something like that soon. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching. Bye.